Now that you have learned about nouns and verbs, we're going to put those to use to take a look at clauses and phrases. A clause is a group of words that has a verb and a noun. And a phrase is a group of words missing one of those two things. So we're going to ignore the phrases and focus on the clauses. It is imperative to our sentence structure, properly punctuating sentences, that we understand the difference between the types of clauses. There are independent clauses and dependent clauses. An independent clause is a group of words that contains a verb and a noun and starts with an independent word. For example, Santa lives. That's it. That's all we need. Santa lives. We have an independent clause. Why? Because lives is a verb. Who lives? Santa. Santa lives. That gives us our verb and our subject. New word. Subject. The verb must have a subject, and the subjects are going to be nouns. There we are. That's all there is to it. Now, the dependent clause is a group of words that contains a verb and a noun and begins with a dependent word. What's a dependent word? Excellent question. Click the link for the dependent word list. There's after, although, as if, before, because, how, even though, though. There are 36 of them. All right. So, for example, a dependent clause would be something like, wherever Santa lives. Lives is still our verb. Who lives? Santa lives. And at the beginning of this, we have wherever. Wherever is a dependent word, thus we have a dependent clause. Voila!